Hey, welcome. Nice to be here with you. I'm re-recording the video because I needed my microphone close by. It's right here. I don't know if you see it yet. Okay, I'll jump right in. It is important to remember that stories can be changed. Does it produce a feeling of safety knowing when one hears something, it is a story in one's mind? For example, there was noise in the story. This event can be changed as well as the audio. When the background sound is taken into account, our visualization becomes more real. If a pen falls, is there a sound or of it hitting the ground? If there was or wasn't is unknown to a limitless person. Everything is possible. Our standard education trains us what is real and what is fiction. Let's change we see and hear, think, even feel. This requires unlearning what television brought us up with. When you see a depressive poverty story, imagine the poor people as prosperous. Visualize them building a mansion, proper prosperous shops in the background of the poor occurrence examined by the cameras and the storytellers. You are creating heaven in your own life and others as well. Everything is beautiful as it is. Nothing needs correction. Another point to examine is cleaning and cooking. Those tasks someday will be done for me in heaven. Do you think that's actual? This requires this attachment if it is actual. You cannot mix greed with generosity. You are perhaps holding on to your objects in your mind rather than your Lord. I honestly don't try to recall my possessions. No, this is my laptop, my space, my objects. No, 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 no. Letting go of your properties is key towards freedom. Someday you will no longer be conquered by the possessions you have. Rather, you will instead make room for your divine, Buddha, Allah, God, universe, God, Jesus, and so on, to be the focus and a continual greed for their company and presence will be your new craving, rather than your cell phone, for example. How, you wonder? Follow my videos. I am a saint and in continual training still. Don't delay your relationship with your higher self, be it God, Allah, Buddha, universe, and or other spiritual spirit. Thank you. I hope you get more awareness from my videos. That's part of the aim. Awareness and the meditative focus on ourself. That's my more version of awareness. So meditative. It's good. Okay. Thank you for being here with me.